Today we're featuring the pride of residential window cleaning, the Pure Water Power Trad Pole. This versatile pole comes equipped with an Acme pole tip and a threaded wood cone adapter. This means it's capable of achieving multiple tasks for you on the job site. Squeegee those hard-to-reach places. Scrub any window. Scrape off tough grime. And even get rid of some cobwebs while you're at it. If you want the Swiss Army knife of poles, then look no further than the Pure Water Power Trad Pole. The cone itself is also a breeze to remove, so you can put any Pure Water Power brush in its place. Although it's built tough, this pole only weighs in at 1 pound, which means it's easier on your shoulders. And at 10 feet fully extended, it's even capable of tackling those hard-to-reach places. Crafted from resilient glass fiber, this 3-section pole incorporates 3 bolt-on clamps, facilitating effortless length adjustments while securely locking the sections in position. Offering both affordability and quality, the Pure Water Power Trad Pole makes an ideal option for residential window cleaning professionals. To check out our full range of poles, visit purewaterpower.com.